ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 169। टीका। त्रितयम् इन मूलम इट इज गिवन ज्ञानेच्छाकृतीनां मध्ये अन्यतम गर्भलक्षण त्रितयम् इदं विवक्षितम्। ज्ञान, इच्छा and kriti. Of these three, any one, anyatama garbhalakshanam, garbhalakshana tritayam. So, tritayam, see in tika. तत्र उपादान गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवत्वम तादृश चिकीर्षावत्वम तादृश कृतिमत्वम इति एवं इत्यर्थः। So three lakshanas are possible here. उपादान गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञान, उपादान गोचर चिकीर्षा means इच्छा, and उपादान गोचर कृति कृतिमत्वम इति एवं इत्यर्थः। टीका एकमेव लक्षणं कुतो न इति अतः। Why can't there be only one lakshana? It says अन्यथा व्यर्थ विशेषणत्व आपत्तेः। There will be व्यर्थ विशेषणम because three are there. If you give only one, then there will be other two becoming व्यर्थ. Lakshana tritaya avivakshane. If you don't give three lakshanas, if there is no vivaksha for three lakshana, then there will be vyartha visheshanatvam. Yatah एक लक्षण विवक्षणे विशेषण वैयर्थ्यम अतो विशेषण वैयर्थ्यादेव जन्मादि अन्यतमस्यैव लक्षणे प्रवेश इत्याह. If there is एक लक्षण विवक्षा, then Visheshan Vaiyarthyam will take place. Therefore, in Janmadi also, Anyatamasya eva Lakshane Pravesha. Janmadi, on the previous page, we saw
जगज्जन्मादि कारणत्वम्.
in Moolam, on not previous to previous page. Brahmanicha Jagat Janmadi Karanatvam, that is 167. So there Janmadi it is given means Janma Sthiti Laya. And then here three. So Jnana Ichha Kratimatvam 3. Utpatti Sthiti Samhara 3. How many lakshanas will be there total?
Eight.
How many? What did you say?
Sorry.
Total there'll be 9 lakshanas. 3 times 3. See, they are given in Tika. अतएव in मूलम जन्म स्थिति ध्वंसानाम अन्यतमस्यैव लक्षणे प्रवेशः. जन्म स्थिति ध्वंस एवंच प्रकृते लक्षणानि नैव संपद्यते. Not नैव, नवैव should be. नव संपद्यते or नवैव. Here they have given naiva. So either make it navaiva or nava bas. 9 lakshanas will be there. Siddhika. कार्यजात जन्म गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवत्वम तत्स्थिति विषय तद्वत्वम तल्लय गोचर तद्वत्वम. What is tadvatvam? What is tad in tadvatvam?
इच्छावत्वं
No. Aparoksha jnana. See what he is saying. उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय 3. अपरोक्ष ज्ञान इच्छा कृतिमत्वम 3. So now first he takes कार्यजात जन्म गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवत्वम. So जन्म अपरोक्ष ज्ञान, स्थिति अपरोक्ष ज्ञान, संहार और लय अपरोक्ष ज्ञान. ओके. देन जन्म चिकीर्षा, स्थिति चिकीर्षा, लय चिकीर्षा. देन जन्म कृति, स्थिति कृति, लय कृति. Each one 3 times. So aparoksha jnana of 3, kriti or chikirsha of 3, kriti of 3. So 9 total. कार्य जाता means कार्य समूह. जन्म गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञानवत्वम तत्स्थिति विषय. Instead of gochara he says विषय. तत्स्थिति विषय तद्वत्वम. Then तल्लय गोचर तद्वत्वम. Tad means aparoksha jnana. Next is समस्त कार्य गोचर चिकीर्षा आश्रयत्वम तत्स्थिति विषय चिकीर्षावत्वम तल्लय गोचर चिकीर्षा आस्पदत्वम. Instead of using same words आश्रयत्वम, he says आश्रयत्वम, आस्पदत्वम, वत्वम, different. Then कार्य मात्र जन्म गोचर कृतिमत्वम तत्स्थिति विषयक कृति आश्रयत्वम तल्लय गोचर कृत्यास्पदत्वम इति एवं रूपाणि इत्यर्थः. They mean the same thing. Ashrayatva, aspadatva, tadvatva. They mean the same thing. So in this way, these are the 9. What are these 9?
Lakshanas.
Which lakshana? Whose lakshana?
तटस्थ लक्षण.
Tatastha lakshana of Brahma. Why do we want to know Tatastha lakshana of Brahma?
पारमार्थिक प्रामाण्यम।
Because the Vishaya of Vedanta is Tattvamasi, Brahma Atma Aikya. For that we need to know Tatpada and Tvampada. First he discusses Tatpada. Vastu Nirupanam is through Lakshana and Pramana. Therefore he is doing Swarupa Lakshana and Tatastha Lakshana of Tatpada. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Is it clear to everybody? Everybody is...
Yes, yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
We should know from where we have come to where. In every text. Not only selected texts. So, Tatastha Lakshanas, there are 9. Further, Brahmano Jagat Janmadi Hetutve api Pramanakanksayam aha. Brahma is Jagat Janmadi Hetu. What is the Pramana for that? Brahmana Jagat Janmadi Karanatve Yato va imani bhutani jayante yena jatani jivanti yat prayante abhisambhishanti ityadi shrutir manam. This shruti is pramanam. Taittiriya Bhruguvalli. Yataha Panchami Yena Tritiya Yat Yat Prayanti Abhisambhishanti. That is Saptami. Prayanti Bhutani Prayanti Yat Abhisambhishanti. Yasmin Abhisambhishanti. Prayanti means
Gachanti.
Gachanti. Going towards that, they all get dissolved. They become one with Brahma. So Panchami, Tritiya, Saptami, all are given here. But Mool you should understand Saptami only. Ityadi Shrutir Manam. Tika. Si Pralayam Gachanti Santi Yat Pravishanti. Prayanti means Pralayam Gachanti Santi. So Gachanti is not Kriya Pada, it is Shatru Pratyanta Rupa. Gachanti Santi Yat Pravishanti. Jate Hue. Another Shruti is given. Sarvani Havai Mani Bhutanya Akashadeva Samutpadyante Akasham Pratyastam Yanti. Ityadya Shruti Radina Upadya. Adina, Adi is given in the Ityadi Shruti. So this Shruti also can be taken. Chandogya, 6th chapter, there is a Shruti. Sanmulaha Somya Imaha Sarvaha Prajaha Sad Ayatanaha Sad Pratishtaha. That is better Shruti. Sanmulaha Somya Imaha Sarvaha Prajaha Sad Ayatanaha Sad Pratishtaha. It should be 6. 8, 5 or 6 something.
4 Swami.
Okay, we check whatever it is. No. You will see another thing. When this Shruti Prakaran comes, Tika is very simple. Tippanis are hardly there. Most of the Tippanis are only for Pathantara. There is no that much Vichar Pradhanyam. Because Shruti is Pramana and most of it is Vichara of those Shrutis is already done in Brahma Sutra or in the Bhashya of those Granthas. Further, Nanu त्रिभीरस्योपादानत्व सूचनात् एकैकस्य लक्षण प्रवेशे तन्न सिद्ध्यति इति अरुच्या आह. Aruchi means Acharya himself feels, no, this is not perfect. So he himself gives alternative. What is that? Why? Tribihi asya upadanatva suchanat. By the 3, upadanatvam is indicated. Suchanat nahi, suchanat. If you give only each one, ekaikasya lakshana praveshe, so 3 means utpatti sthiti laya. When all 3 are given, then it is upadana. If you give only one lakshana, ekasya lakshana praveshe, ekaikasya lakshana praveshe, tanna siddhyati, that means upadanatvam na siddhyati. So because of that aruchi, he said, yadva nikhil jagad upadanatvam brahmano lakshanam, or straight use the word upadana. Upadanatvam brahmano lakshanam. Upadanatvancha jagad adhyasa adhishtanatvam va. And what is upadanam? Jagad adhyasa adhishtanatvam. It is the adhishtanam of the adhyasa of Jagat in Brahma. Tika. What is upadanam? Upadanam cha yad abhinnam karyam utpadyate tat. Yad abhinnam karyam utpadyate. Without separating from it, karya utpatti will take place. That is called upadana. Tadabhedasya pruthak satta shunyatvam. Tacha avidya brahmanoho samanam. And tad abheda is pruthak satta shunyatvam. What is the abheda between upadana karana and karya? Pruthak satta shunyatvam. Karya does not have pruthak satta. Is called abheda. Tacha avidya brahmanoho samanam brahmani adhyastasya pruthak satta shunyatvat iti ashayana aha. So avidya and Brahma, avidya is also upadanam. Brahma you are also saying is upadanam. So then abhed will happen with avidya also and Brahma also. Avidya brahmanoho samanam. Brahmani adhyastasya pruthak satta shunyatvat. That which is adhyastha in Brahma does not have pruthak satta. Therefore, now he gives upadanatvam as not this lakshana, yad abhinnam karyam utpadyate. Instead, he gives in the mulam upadanatvam cha जगद अध्यास अधिष्ठानत्व. Jagad Adhyas is taking place in that Brahma. Brahma is the Adhishthanam. तथा च कल्पित विकार संबंधस्य वास्तव निर्विकारत्वात् निर्विकारत्व अविरोधात् उपादानत्वेपि विकार शून्यत्वं ब्रह्मण इति भावः. कल्पित विकार संबंधस्य वास्तव निर्विकारत्व अविरोधात्. Somebody will say if it is upadanam, upadanam will undergo vikara, undergo modification to produce karya. So we say in Brahma there is kalpita vikara and vastava nirvikara. So in reality it is nirvikara and apparently there is vikara, seemingly modification. Therefore, kalpita vikara sambandhasya vastava nirvikaratva avirodhat. There is no virodha between them. उपादानत्वे अपि विकार शून्यत्वं ब्रह्मण इति भावः. And therefore, even though Brahma is upadanam, but it is vikara shunyam. Upadanatve api vikara shunyatvam brahmanah iti bhavah. विपरिणममानम एव उपादानम इति यदि आग्रहस् तर्हि तु उपादानम माया. Somebody says, no, this avikari and upadanam, that is not correct. Upadanam means it has to be vikari only. Say, okay, if that is your agraha, viparinamamanam eva upadanam iti yadi agrahas, if you insist on that upadanam has to undergo modification, then tarhi astu upadanam maya, then upadana is maya. तथापि स्वाधिष्ठानं ब्रह्म विना तस्याः तयात्व अभावात्. स्वाधिष्ठानं ब्रह्म विना, स्व मीन्स माया, माया अधिष्ठानं ब्रह्म विना तस्याः मायायाः तयात्व अभावात्. तयात्व
Maya.
upadanatva. Maya cannot become upadanam. Tayatva, you can take mayatva if you want. Mayatva bhavat. Maya will not be maya if it doesn't have Brahma as adhishthanam. But better is if it doesn't have Brahma as adhishthanam, Maya cannot be upadanam. Tayatva bhavat tad adhishthanasya api ujyamanam. Therefore, you have to mention adhishthanam of Maya also. Otherwise, Maya itself will have no existence. Tayatva, if you take mayatva, mayatva bhavat, tad adhishthanasya api uchyamanam upadanatvam aviruddham. So then upadanatvam will be aviruddham. Iti तथा भूत माया अधिष्ठानत्वेन लक्षणम अस्तु इति आशयना. सो उच्यमानम उपादानत्वम अविरुद्धम इति तथा भूत माया, तथा भूत, that which is upadana, its adhishthanam is Brahma. अधिष्ठानत्वेन लक्षणम अस्तु इति आशयन आह जगत कारण इति. अच्छा, it is tathatva, not tayatva. It is easy. Tathatva. तथात्व मीन्स उपादानत्व। तस्याः तथात्व अभावात्। इन्मूलम जगद आकारेण जगदाकारेण इति। There is one line that is missing. After Jagad Adhyasa Adhishthanattvam va, in other books there is a line Jagadakarena Viparinamamana Maya Adhishthanattvam va, that you should add. Jagadakarena Parinamamana Viparinamamana Maya Adhishthanattvam va. जगदाकारेण विपरिणाम। So Jagad Akarena Viparinamamana Maya Tasya Adhisthana. Maya is Viparinami and Brahma is Adhisthana. Tika Nacha Jagato Maya Parinamatve Mana Bhava. Now somebody may ask, how do you say Maya is Viparinama? Viparinami, so Viparinami Karana. There is enough pramanam for that. Etadrishameva upadanatvam. And Tika first. Mayam tu prakritim vidyat. Mayanam tu maheshwaram. In Shruti. Maya adhyakshena prakritihi. Suyate sacharacharam. Jagan Maya parinama rupam karyatvat shukti rupyavat iti pramana sattvat. He gives Shruti Smriti Anumanam. Upanishad Shvetashvatara Smriti Bhagavad Gita. Maya adhyakshena prakritihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagad viparivartate. Anumanam is there. Jagad Maya Parinama Rupam Karyatvat Shukti Rupyavat Jagat is Maya Parinam. Mayayaha Parinam Marup Jagat. Because it is Karya, like Shukti Rupya. Nacha, so Pramana is also there. Nacha Badhyatvam Upadhihi. In this Anumana, Purvapakshi will say there is Upadhi. What is Upadhi?
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्.
Here you don't say Karya Ananvaitve Sati Tad Vartamanatve Sati Yavartakat. That Lakshana is not of Upadhi here. Means you can actually put that Lakshana, not that Lakshana, the other Lakshana. Upa Samipa Sthitva Sviya.
स्वीयान् अन्यथा भाति विकारं विना.
That Lakshana you can put here. Sadhya Vyapakatva Sati Sadhana Vyapakatva. If there is Upadhi, Badhyatvam, so Sadhya Vyapaka, how will be the Vyapti in Sadhya Vyapaka?
यत्र यत्र साध्यं तत्र तत्र उपाधि अभावः.
Sadhya Vyapaka. Yatra yatra sadhyam tatra tatra upadhi. What is sadhyam?
Maya Parinama Rupam.
Maya Parinama Rupam. Yatra yatra Maya Parinama Rupatvam tatra tatra Badhyatvam. There where Maya Parinama is, it is Badhita. And Sadhana Vyapakatvam. How will you show Sadhana Vyapakatvam?
यत्र यत्र कार्यत्वं तत्र तत्र बाध्यत्व अभावः.
Yatra yatra karyatvam tatra tatra badhyatva bhava. Where? Where will you show this?
In the
In Drishtanta.
Not in Drishtanta. In Shukti Rupya. Drishtanta, there you cannot. Where do you show sadhana vyapakatvam?
Paksha, Swamiji.
In Paksha.
In Paksha you have to show. Paksha is
Jagat.
Jagat.
Jagat is yatra yatra karyatvam tatra tatra badhyatva bhava. In Jagat, karyatvam is there,
Yes.
badhyatva bhava is there.
No.
Therefore,
Upadhi is there. Sadhana Vyapakatvam.
Not there.
sadhana vyapakatvam is not there. Therefore, upadhi is
There.
not there. Nacha badhyatvam upadhi. Upadhi will not be there because sadhana vyapakatvam is not there. See the next line. Sadhana vyapakatvat. It has become sadhana vyapaka. Because yatra yatra karyatvam tatra tatra badhyatvam. This is true. So it is not a badhya. So upadhi is not there. Therefore, what is the problem if there is no upadhi?
No problem.
Maya is the pariname परिणामरूपम of Jagat.
If there is no upadhi, that means there is no problem. No problem in anumana. Therefore, our pratignya is valid. Therefore, Jagat is Maya Parinama Rupam. If upadhi is there, then anumanam is incorrect. Yadva Jagat Jadopadanakam Karyatva Asammatvat. Is there any other reading? Because I have doubt over.
Sammatavad.
Yes.
Swamiji.
Let me see.
कार्यत्वात् सम्मतवत्.
जगत जड़ोपादानकम कार्यत्वात् सम्मतवत्. जगत इस पक्ष, जड़ उपादानकम इस साध्य. कार्यत्वात् सम्मतवत्. यत्र यत्र कार्यत्वं तत्र तत्र
Jadopadanakam.
जड़ उपादानकत्वम. It is karya, it will have jada upadanam. Sammatvat like ghata. Ghata is karya, ghata has jada upadanam. Jagat is karya, it will have some jada upadana, so that will be maya, it will not be brahma. Taccha ekam lagavat. Tad upadanan is one. How many upadana karana? Is a one is enough. Why to have many lagavat? And also tadapi shruti smriti pramanyat parisheshad ajnanam. So shruti smriti and other pramanas are there. Therefore, that parinami upadana karana is ajnanam, mulajnanam. Maya avidya ajnanam iti anarthantaram. They mean the same thing. They all are synonyms. Maya, vidya, mula vidya, mula jnanam, etc. Nanu shrutishu jagat brahmano tadatmya vyapadeshat jagadakareణ viparinamamanatvam upadanatvam iti eva tallakshanam kuto nangikriyate iti ashankya. In Shruti, Jagat Brahmano Tadatmya Vyapadeshat. Jagat and Brahma, they have Tadatmya Vyapadeshat. Jagadakarena Viparinamamanatvam Upadanatvam. Jagadakarena, that which undergoes modification, that is Upadanatvam. Iti eva tal lakshanam. Why can't you have this lakshana angikara? Angikriyate iti ashankya. Chetanasya jadakarena parinama ayogat. Chaitanya cannot undergo modification and become jada, jagat. Also, kutastha nityatva shruti virodhacha. Shruti says Brahma is kutastha nitya. So, kutastha nityatva shruti virodhacha. Ukto upadanatva abhiprayena eva tasu tatha vyapadesha. So, ukto upadanatva abhiprayena means माया उपादानत्व अभिप्रायण और परिणामी उपादानत्व अभिप्रायण एवं तासु माया विद्या ज्ञानादिषु तथा व्यपदेश इत्याह. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।